Looking for the perfect foundation to achieve flawless skin? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 foundations that cater to every skin type. From long-lasting matte finishes to hydrating formulas, these foundations are must-haves in your makeup routine. Let's dive into the best options to keep your skin looking smooth and radiant all day long. Number 5. The e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in Light Ivory is an exceptional product that delivers high quality at an affordable price. As a lightweight liquid foundation with a semi-matte finish, it offers medium coverage that feels comfortable on the skin. The blendability is impressive, providing a natural, even look without feeling heavy. The shade Light Ivory, which has golden undertones, seamlessly matches fair skin, and it's easy to build coverage where needed. One of the standout features of this foundation is its hydrating formula, which includes glycerin to soften the skin. It wears well throughout the day without drying out the skin or settling into fine lines. The finish is a beautiful balance between matte and dewy, making it suitable for various skin types. What truly makes this foundation a winner is the price. The luxurious feel and performance rival more expensive foundations, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious beauty lovers. Whether you're looking for a natural, everyday look or a more polished finish, the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation is a fantastic option.
Number 4. The Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Liquid Foundation in Light Beige is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a versatile and affordable foundation. With its dual-purpose formula that acts as both a foundation and concealer, it offers medium to full coverage that effectively hides blemishes, redness, and under-eye circles. The water-resistant, oil-free formula delivers a satin matte finish that feels lightweight and looks natural on the skin. One of the best features of this foundation is its durability. It holds up well throughout the day, even in sweaty conditions, without transferring onto clothing or accessories. The long-wearing formula ensures that you maintain a flawless complexion without needing constant touch-ups. The shade range is also impressive, with 45 options to choose from, making it easier to find the perfect match for your skin tone. This foundation is especially suitable for mature skin, as it provides great coverage without settling into fine lines or looking cakey. It blends smoothly and leaves the skin looking even and radiant. Given its excellent performance and reasonable price, the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation is a fantastic option for anyone looking for reliable, high-quality coverage. Number 3. The L'Oreal Paris True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum Foundation is a skincare makeup hybrid that truly impresses. Infused with 1% hyaluronic acid, this tinted serum offers lightweight coverage while keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. The medium 4 to 5 shade blends beautifully, creating a luminous finish that enhances your natural complexion without feeling heavy. What makes this product stand out is its ability to combine makeup with skincare benefits. The hyaluronic acid works wonders, making the skin feel moisturized and plump, while the mineral pigments provide a radiant glow. This serum foundation is perfect for those seeking a natural, no-makeup look. It smooths out imperfections without looking cakey, and a little goes a long way. Just a few dots blended in creates a flawless, even finish. The formula is vegan, non-comedogenic, and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's also free of parabens and fragrance, which makes it a great option for those with skin concerns. Overall, the L'Oreal True Match Nude Tinted Serum Foundation is a fantastic product for anyone looking for a hydrating foundation that delivers a fresh, glowing complexion with minimal effort. Number 2. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Liquid Foundation in Natural Ivory is a fantastic option for those with normal to oily skin looking for a long-lasting, natural matte finish. The foundation delivers medium coverage that refines pores and creates a smooth, even complexion. One of the standout features is how lightweight and comfortable it feels on the skin, while still providing excellent coverage that lasts throughout the day. The color, Natural Ivory, blends seamlessly into fair skin tones, giving a natural no-makeup look. It controls shine without making the skin feel dry or tight, making it ideal for oily skin types. The oil-free formula helps prevent breakouts, and its long-wearing performance is perfect for busy days when you need your makeup to stay put. While the foundation works wonders for all-day wear, the packaging could use some improvement. As one user mentioned, it can be difficult to get the last bit of product out of the bottle, so a pump or spatula would be a welcome addition. Overall, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation offers great value, effective pore blurring coverage, and a natural matte finish that stays put for hours. It's a reliable everyday foundation for those with oily or combination skin. Number 1. The CoverGirl and Olay Simply Ageless 3-in-1 Liquid Foundation in Classic Ivory is a fantastic choice for those seeking a foundation that combines skincare with makeup. Formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, this foundation not only provides medium coverage but also hydrates and firms the skin, making it ideal for mature skin types. The anti-aging properties instantly reduce the appearance of wrinkles, giving the skin a smoother, more youthful look. One of the key strengths of this foundation is its lightweight, buildable formula. It glides on effortlessly and blends seamlessly into the skin, offering a natural matte finish that doesn't settle into fine lines or dry patches. The classic ivory shade is perfect for fair skin tones, providing even coverage that helps blur imperfections and dark circles. What sets this foundation apart is its hydrating formula, which works wonders for those with dry or mature skin. It feels luxurious on the skin and maintains a fresh look throughout the day. Additionally, CoverGirl's cruelty-free commitment is a big plus for those seeking ethical beauty products. Overall, the CoverGirl and Olay Simply Ageless Foundation is a great option for anyone looking for a foundation that enhances skin's appearance while providing essential skincare benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Let us know in the comments which foundation is your favorite, or if you have any recommendations. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials and skincare advice. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep glowing.